The decline in market share for Stellantis signals deeper issues within the company, especially as rivals like General Motors and Hyundai gain ground. This trend raises significant concerns regarding Stellantis's future. Recent alarming reports of engine fires and software glitches prompted Stellantis to recall over 780,000 vehicles. These incidents reveal critical weaknesses in their quality control and consumer safety measures. The financial repercussions of these recalls could impose significant strain on Stellantis as the mounting costs for repairs and compensation escalate. Such financial challenges may hinder future investments in quality and safety. Frequent leadership changes at Stellantis foster confusion and uncertainty among employees, ultimately decreasing morale and productivity. A clear vision from stable leadership is vital for achieving organizational success. Historical examples from Chrysler and Ford underscore the importance of leadership stability on employee engagement and customer perception. Effective leadership cultivates a positive corporate culture and enhances consumer trust. The ongoing inventory crisis has left dealerships with an excess of unsold vehicles, complicating sales strategies and straining profitability. In response, aggressive discounts are being rolled out to manage the surplus. Inventory levels at Stellantis are troubling, featuring a 77-day supply compared to the industry average of 53 days. This inefficiency raises serious questions about their predictions of market demand. Stellantis's pricing strategies appear to have backfired, with sales plummeting as models remain higher priced than those of competitors. Consequently, dealers are compelled to offer larger discounts to lure in buyers. The inventory crisis is beginning to affect local economies, potentially leading to dealership closures and job losses in communities that depend heavily on car sales. This situation emphasizes the urgency of finding a solution. Skepticism surrounding electric Jeeps arises from concerns about their ruggedness and performance compared to traditional models favored by off-road enthusiasts. Conducting thorough market research is crucial to understanding consumer sentiments. Recent financial difficulties, including a significant drop in net income, underscore the pressing need for Stellantis to balance its ambitious electrification plans with financial health amid escalating price wars in the EV market. Job security concerns are intensifying among Stellantis employees due to potential layoffs and union grievances. These challenges could lead to strikes that further destabilize both production and financial stability.